Note, this is not a comedy skit. People in this video are not subject to mockery or caricature. Be warned.
Let me use Nigeria as an example.
Okay.
It's a sin to be an armed robber.
Okay.
It's also a sin to be a prostitute.
Correct.
It's a crime to be an armed robber. It's also a crime to be a prostitute.
Okay.
But I'm asking, if they say you should choose, which one do you think our society or Nigeria would like to have?
I will go for prostitution, because when I say it's a business, at least a prostitute will come to your house based on agreements. If you agree on 3,000 naira, that is the money she take from you. But an armed robber will come to your house and take over everything you have labored for. So I'm not going for armed robbery. I rather go for prostitution.
Which one do you think that the society will prefer to have?
It's crime, it's armed robbery, because even our government are all robbers.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that the angle you are coming
It is
from?
not only a man that carry a gun to oppress, intimidate, to obtain that is a criminal. Even, okay, look at what happened COVID-19. They say, okay, let the Accountant General of the Federation give account of what happened, the fund that was released for COVID-19. The office of the Accountant General got burned. Huh? What are you saying? So it is not only a man that carry gun to someone's house that is a thief. Oh. So that one is better called, because you can manage it. So it's better than prostitution. Because sickness, there are so many things attached to it. And with your money after the robbery, you can still manage it as long as Nigeria is concerned. Yes, when the money is with you.
Okay.
Of course, yeah, okay, look at Abakari. All the SARS and the whatever, they are even the better criminals. So I prefer criminal armed robbery to prostitution, because it can be managed once the money is in your possession. Let's go. Hire 20 Sam and you are free. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
God bless you.
And that is armed robber, meaning people that are armed with guns to go and rob. And prostitute, the one that stand on the road. Not be girlfriend when you give money. We stand on the road in duty now to satisfy men. Which one do you think is a better crime?
It's a show.
Is that shower?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Why do you think so?
You know, women are very special. A woman should not be opening her body anyhow on the streets. It's very, very wrong. But a man, that man that is carrying that gun to go and rob, he may be doing it just because to satisfy his woman at home. Maybe because he don't have a work and she need money. He must go and do that to bring money to the house so that she can cook for the children. But as a woman, we must exercise patience, and we have many ways to get our own money. We must not go and stand on the road and be opening our body. It's very, very wrong.
The society has a lot of norms and crimes and sinful based on the religious angle. Armed robber and prostitution, both of them are sinful, both of them are crime. But I'm asking, which one is preferable for a society to endure or embrace? Prostitute.
Prostitute, yes.
Why do you think so?
It's better. Armed robber is not good. Yes, armed robber is not good.
But you can see that the man trying to rob maybe has a motive, maybe poverty is the reason.
Some of them has no property. Some of them, they inside their blood.
The same thing with prostitutes.
Yes.
Some of them too,
But
they are not.
prostitute.
You prefer prostitutes?
Oh, yes.
Okay.